Hey cutie, I'm call me Black Rainbow and you can call me Black Rainbow. Last time I already teach you how to draw beautiful illustration just with a pen and a piece of paper, right? But some of cuties just ask me, okay, now I know how to draw beautiful painting, but I don't know how to draw beautiful outline. Wow, it's really a kind of big problem, right? Because if your line is so dirty or so messy like a hair, the drawing will be terrible, right? Do you have the problem like this? Please comment below. But this is okay because after you finish this video, you will learn how to control your lines to draw beautiful outline and beautiful painting. So you have to finish this video first. If it is your first time to watch my video, of course I have to tell you, my channel is talking about the anime drawing and drawing tutorials. So if you are the person like to draw or you like anime, of course you have to subscribe my channel and open the bell so that if my new video release, you will get a reminder and get the knowledge, conception, the skills, the techniques of drawing. Okay, so let's start to know how to draw perfect lines. Okay, now let's take a look what the 3 techniques of drawing can make our outline to be beautiful. In here, the first picture, you will see the line comes from upper left. Above the hand, you will see the line is so thin, seems to be almost gone. But under the hand, you will see the line is so thick, because usually there are shadows in this area. So I make the lines to be thick. This is the one of the way to make your lines to be thick or thin. So you will not make your lines totally the same. If the lines look like the same, it is really boring to viewer. So make your lines to be interesting and daring. It will be better. And let's take a look at the second picture. In here you can see, sometimes the thickness line is used where the creator wants to emphasize on the picture. So when you draw a picture, you may practice starting from the light and shadow of the picture to determine the thickness of the lines. After that, you can try to use thick or thin line to express what you want to present in a picture. Okay, the second technique is solid or blank of line. I know it sounds illusory, but if you look at the picture, you may probably understand what I mean. But how to decide the solid or blank of lines? In fact, the reason for choosing is very similar to the thickness of the line. You have to know where line comes from. You may blank the lines where it's too bright. And you may draw many details with lines where it's not too bright. So this is the one of the way to make you decide what the line you can draw and what the line you just blank it. And in this picture, you can see the upper arm and chest. I draw the solid line. And you also can see the calf and thigh. I use the solid line because I want to explain the human body. And you can see the second picture. I said the line comes from upper left. And I want to explain the face of this character. So I draw the details on his face. And I draw solid lines on the place where it will be covered by shadow. So solid or blank of lines is a great creative technique to emphasize your work. Instead of painting it all, creators make their work clearly expresses the part that they want to express. The picture will be looks better and more beautiful. And the last one is round or square of line. The use of the round or square of lines is more suitable for making a strong or soft feeling. You can see this picture. Although it is just a simple line sketch, I still use the technique of round or square of lines.
just like the hands, the face, the body, the feet. You can see how I explain different parts of our body with round lines or square lines. So you can try to draw everything just with the round lines or square lines to express what the feeling you want to express to people. And the second picture, although I draw a strong man and so many details on it, you still can see I draw it with round lines and square lines to express the soft muscle or the strong part. So no matter you want to draw a soft feeling like a woman or you want to draw the strong feeling like a man, you can use this way to express the light or heavy feeling of figure drawing or anything you want to draw. So when you are drawing, try to observe what the way you always draw with lines. If you always draw with square lines, try the round lines. If you are the person like drawing with round lines, try to use square lines. It will make your drawing to be interesting and more layering.
Okay, now you already know how to draw beautiful outline, right? Actually, you just need to know where the line comes from, and you can use the round lines or square lines to express what you want to express. After you know why you draw like this, why you draw like that, the painting will be better and more beautiful. Of course, you will draw the better painting because you know why you are drawing. And next, I will make more videos talk about the human drawing or drawing tutorials. I also will make the videos is talk about the experience of drawing, or even you put your work on the internet. So if you don't want to miss the content like this, you have to subscribe my channel and open the bell so that if my new video release, you will get the reminder. If you feel this video is really useful to you and you have friends they want to learn how to draw or they don't know how to draw beautiful lines, of course you have to share this video with them so that they can improve their skills of drawing and they will happy and thanks for you. Of course, if you like my video, please give me a thumb up. And if you have any question is about anime drawing or drawing tutorials, of course you have to comment below and let me know what the problem you have about the drawing. Maybe one day I will make a video to reply your good question. In the end, let me bring a little color to your life, and I hope you can bring your color to others' life.